Welcome and welcome back. It's your boy Official Keem Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. Now, I'll be reacting to Sohyang. I Have Nothing. Bear this in mind, it's my very first time hearing Sohyang. I have heard so much people singing this over, and their performances are mind-blowing. So let's see what Sohyang has in store right now. Please stay tuned. I'll be right back. See you around. Okay guys, so let's dive right into her performance. Let's go. She looks awesome. Real gorgeous.
Share my life, take me for what I am, 'cause I never change all my colors for you.
Wow. 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 What? This is great. She's enthusiastic just for her. Trust me. I'm really rejoicing right now because I know she will deliver something splendid. So let's see if she can prove me right, because I know when someone can sing, and she sees as if she can sing splendidly. So let's continue. I want to hear.
Take my love, I never ask for too much. Just all that you are and everything that you do. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow.
Whitney Houston find a replacement. There's this guy, goes by the name of Marcelito Pomoy. Bro, that man can sing incredibly. But she's replacement of Whitney Houston. Bro, this is impressive, bro. I'm impressed. I'm impressed thus far. So let's see if she can fold up my mind with something amazing. Let's continue.
I won't hold it back again in this passion sight. I can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. Don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms and be your dead. Must I imagine you there?
This is magical. This is way too magical. This is magic, bro. She's firing. She's too dope. Bro, wow. Wow. Wow.
Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing if I don't have you. You see the room right through the heart of me. You wreck on my bones with the strength of your love. Have nothing, have nothing.
Bro, what I really love about her is that she sing passionately. She is feeling what she is singing. Because you can sing, but you're not singing with passion. You're just singing like you only can sing in vain, bro. But wow. Wow. I'm impressed, bro. I'm really impressed. Trust me.
I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I won't hold it back again. This passion aside, I can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. You're the love I remember forevermore. Don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hide anymore. Stay in my arms if you did. Must I imagine you there?
What? Oh my god. Whoa, bro. Guys, do you felt that? Do you felt that? Bro. There's no way. There's absolute no way she can do that. And you guys don't feel that? Bro, when she went from this to this, bro, my chills raised from that moment to that moment, guys. Damn. Damn, bro.
Walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing.
Bro. What the fuck? Oh fuck. Does she even do that, guys? Oh, guys, she's the greatest performer I've heard since lately. Bro, I thought Marissette, Dimash, or Diana could sing. But bro, she's singing like a goat, bro. She's one of the greatest. Bro, how does she even do that, man? Damn.
If I don't love you.
That's an astounding performance. That was incredible. Whoa. What? Bro, wait no freaking way. Hey, guys, I want to learn some more about she. So please comment the next song I should react to her next. Because it's my first time. And this is one of the greatest I've heard so far. And from Jamaica. And trust me, we have singers like this in Jamaica. But trust me, bro, She's one of a kind. She's unique. She's singular. She's different. Wow. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next game. Peace out. Stay tuned. I'll be right back with y'all. Just comment your thoughts down in the comment section. I'll be looking forward for you guys commenting. I'll see you there.